Welcome guys. So number 40 we have a matrix cosine t minus sine t, sine t, cosine t. And then you have two complex eigenvalues. What value t from 0 to pi? Two of the eigenvalues sum is 1. Okay, so this is simple that you can do the analysis what I'm writing about. So determined to be 0, we have lambda square minus 2 cosine t plus cosine square t plus sine t square is equal to 0. So we have lambda square minus 2, there's lambda cosine t plus 1 is 0. So sum of two eigenvalues is negative times the middle coefficient, and it must be 1. So cosine t is half. This tells you that the t must be what? 60 degrees, right? So pi over 3. So the answer is C. The answer is C. C. Yeah, that's it. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.